If you have already installed Premiere Pro, great. You can skip this session. Within this session I will quickly run through how to install or how to get Premiere Pro. Let's just start off by installing Adobe Premiere Pro. Open your favorite browser and search for Adobe Premiere Pro. One of the first options you should be getting is from adobe.com. Click on it and on the top right corner you see a blue button saying Buy Now. After pressing on the blue button you will see this window in which you can choose which application you want to buy. In this case, choose for Premiere Pro by clicking again on the blue button. If you don't want to spend the money, you could use a free trial version. In order to get the trial version, head back to the main page and under the left corner you see a free trial button. Press on it and select Adobe Premiere Pro.